Okay. That's a pretty good stream coming in there. Oh man, this is slippery. I got a little stream coming in there. This is the big one here. I think we caught that one at least. That's where most of it comes from. Actually, I mean, the water's clean up here, so it should start to clear up after a while. Okay, problem is, we still got, yeah, this is soaking wet. A pretty good stream coming in over here. It's gonna run right down through. So I gotta connect that and bring it right across here. Now, actually probably have to dig it a little bit deeper. I think this is supposed to go down this old stone path right here, but it doesn't. Whew. Well, we'll see what happens. Okay, so this outdoor shower, which was makeshift at best, broke over the winter. So we're gonna fix it up. There we go. Ay, ay, ay. Tight. Let's see. Foot wash works. And the shower works. I think we got some pinholes up here. Probably froze a little bit this winter. But that works. Cool. One more thing working. Okay, so I need this hitch, but it is locked in there. This is like a nice brand new hitch. I'm gonna try to cut it out of there. I always forget how many magnets are on a phone. This thing is covered in grinding dust. Okay, got it out. That wasn't too bad. Must be, it's just wedged in there. It's nice and painted. It wasn't rusted solid, I don't think. Just thick rust, man. Nasty stuff. All right, we got that. Good. Okay, so I gotta put this in here. This is the one I just took off the other truck, but this one is pretty rusty too. I mean, you can tell this thing needs to be replaced anyways, but it's just got rust buildup on the inside here. Usually I'd use a chisel bit, but I don't know where that my chisel one went. But if you just put it on the straight hammer section, if you have a bit you don't care about. These Makita jackhammers are like lifesavers. Hey, what are you guys doing, huh? Mm? Mm. Yes? What? Was that good? Not bad, huh? You silly pigs.